Indonesia and the Netherlands have a long history of cooperation in the field of rule of law. The shared legacy of the legal system creates opportunities for collaboration between justice sector institutions in the Netherlands and Indonesia. One manifestation of this collaboration was outlined in the project under Rule of Law Fund Program.
Kerjasama pemerintah Indonesia dengan pemerintah Belanda dari sisi sejarah perkembangan hukum ini menjadi sangat penting dalam konteks rule of law. Tentunya kami sangat berharap bahwa apa yang nanti akan dilakukan bersama-sama akan memberikan dampak terhadap reformasi hukum di Indonesia.
The collaboration between the Netherlands and Indonesia in the field of rule of law dates back quite long to 1980 more or less, when the first structural cooperation between Indonesia and the Netherlands in the field of rule of law started. For example, there was an evaluation that looked at the coherence between all the different interventions we did in the field of rule of law, and that evaluation advised us to work more in a coherent way through one larger rule of law program.
The main objective of the program in Indonesia is to support the rule of law in three ways. So one is to support justice sector institutions. Another is to help those people who work to support justice sector institutions, such as paralegals and lawyers. And the third objective is to help Indonesia to develop sound legal policies upon which laws can be based.
Project activities under the Rule of Law Fund Program seek to strengthen ties and coordination between the Netherlands and Indonesia to improve service delivery, increase capacity and accountability of the justice sector in Indonesia. Implementing environmental regulation. Improving cross-border asset recovery. Electronic evidence. Legal empowerment of peatland villages. Inclusive natural resource management. Adoption of fair treatment approach in Indonesia. Effective court decisions enforcement system. Legal aid system and service. Justice Index development. Establishment Regulatory Reform Agency. Case handling through performance-based budgeting. Improving quality of legal education. Under the scheme of Rule of Law Fund, IDLO is working to facilitate information sharing and promote knowledge exchange around innovative practices and access between the Netherlands, Indonesian partners and also within other ASEAN regions, which bring further to the creation synergies between these relevant actors. This collaboration supports as well the strengthening of Indonesian legal system, legal aid, and access to justice.